Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt using fresh milk, only way. Heat 1 liter of fresh whole milk to 85 degrees C and hold for 5 minutes to denature proteins, then cool to 43 degrees C. Stir in 2 tablespoons of active yogurt starter thoroughly, cover, and incubate in a warm spot for 8 hours. After incubation, chill for at least 2 hours before tasting. This method yields smooth, tangy yogurt every time. Warm, friendly tip. Using the right tools keeps things simple and predictable. A heavy pot and a reliable thermometer make heating precise, and a whisk helps evenly distribute the starter. Choose 1 liter of fresh whole milk and 2 tablespoons of an active starter to start. Maintain a steady incubation temperature near 43 degrees C for about 8 hours using an oven light or insulated cooler. Chill before serving for best texture and flavor. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful content. On another note, I recommend the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated while you cook, which makes stirring and monitoring so much easier and a little more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If your yogurt doesn't set as expected, stay calm and try a few adjustments. Extend incubation by a couple hours or choose a thicker starter to improve firmness, and ensure your milk reached 85 degrees C initially. If the flavor is too tangy, shorten the incubation or move it to the fridge sooner to slow fermentation. For separation, whisk gently to combine the whey and refrigerate to firm it up before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.